Kayla, you want to put Dora in her stroller? Here, put Dora in her stroller. Come on, put Dora in her stroller. Here, put Dora in her stroller, okay?
Okay.
Alright, good girl. Whoops. Here, try again. Try again. Good job, Kayla. Good job. Now push Dora around. Oh, you want to cover her from the sun? We'll cover her from the sun. Good job. Good job, Kayla. Are you gonna take her for a walk? How comes you left Dora? Put Dora back in the stroller, sweetie. Oh, there you go. Okay. Put her in the stroller. Good job, sweetie. Okay, now go for a walk. Go for a walk. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.